Hello. What are you filming? You're filming me right now.
Well, you walked up to me.
Yeah, so
I wasn't even filming you.
I know, but I'm asking. You're now currently filming me.
Well, walk away.
No, I'm asking, what are you guys filming for?
That's our business.
It's your business?
Yeah, I'm on a public sidewalk. I don't share my business.
But you're filming our building.
Right, is that illegal?
It is.
It is? What law is that?
It's my law.
Oh, your law?
Yeah.
Okay, well, my law says that you're full of shit. That's my law.
That's a good one. I like that.
Listen, it's not, if you're gonna say it's your law, anything I can see on a public space I can film. So I understand if you're concerned, this and that, you can be concerned. I don't have to discuss anything with you. So just go back in and make up some more laws.
My name is Susana Gonzalez, by the way, if you guys need to know that information.
Thank you, Susanna Gonzalez.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we're just out here filming on a public sidewalk.
If you turn your phone the other way like we have it,
Yeah, do the other way. It's better. This is not great. Do it
Not great.
sideways.
I don't like it. I do it my way.
Okay. Well,
Where
apparently you
there's
do
horse shit,
do
there's
it.
a horse somewhere, right?
You do it your way because you make up
You
laws.
guys are filming and being really aggressive. What's the reason for that?
If you're going to say it's your law, then it's going south. Don't get in my personal space.
Oh, but I'm not. I'm right here.
That's in his personal space.
It's really not.
Actually, it is.
It is not.
It is. Now you're
looking at me.
intimidating
Are you
us.
looking at my shoes? They're cute,
it's
huh?
Personal space is within arm's distance.
So you're in my personal space
You
now.
walked up to me.
I'm still on my property here.
No, you're in public.
Oh, you guys came out to us.
Why are you filming the building?
They don't.
That's
they said
our
that they don't
business.
have. It's
Huh?
their business.
That's our business.
Well, this is private property.
Yeah, and this is public property. And she says we can't film from a public area. And I said, what law is that? And she says it's her law.
You can't trespass the eyes, you guys.
You can't trespass the eyes. So she's giving us bullshit, man. Just leave us alone.
Yeah.
Go back in.
You guys are a bunch
Go
of
back in
clowns.
and do your job.
You're a clown?
You are.
Okay,
You look
well,
like one.
you know what? Why
You're
don't
even
you
acting like one.
Why don't you get out of your negligee and put on some decent clothes?
Yeah.
My
There's a
negligee.
reason why there's
Actually, my jeans ripped. So if you really want to get into detail,
I don't want to get into details. Just go leave us alone.
Yeah.
Call the cops.
Call the cops. Yeah, call the cops.
Yeah, waste
call
resources.
the cops.
So
Waste
someone
resources.
could be dying or getting murdered, and you're going to waste resources
Call 'em.
on guys filming in public.
I doubt anyone's gonna be dying or getting murdered here in Torrance. Like, please get over it. Like, it's not that dangerous around here.
What was your application like to get a job here?
What was yours? Bail bonds?
I'm not.
Making laws. Making laws.
Don't worry about how I got a job here.
She's quoting
You worry about what
that it's
you're
illegal
doing.
to film here,
Got a job here.
which it isn't, man. You can anything I can see from a public area, I can record, even though you're saying it's private property.
Different scenarios. And today we were testing somebody else. We just came back and we thought this was unique. Can't go to the full name, and we were just walking back this way and we take a long way back to our car. We were not coming to record. So we're just out here filming.
You know,
getting
we're
some
cool
footage.
as long as it's
We're gonna do some
legal.
B-roll,
So-
and then this
All right,
happened.
so you guys kissed and made up. All right,
Yeah, we did.
so we're not out here for any ill will. All right,
Okay.
our whole intent is to make sure everybody understands we have a right to film in public.
As long as it's
So if you want to interrupt or
No,
let me
I'm catching on to what you're saying. now.
Okay, so hopefully we don't get an encounter. It means you guys respect the First Amendment. We're not on your property. But when you come out and ask what we're doing, I don't have to tell you my business, right? That's like me asking you a question. You don't have to tell me your business.
yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
As long as it's
And I
property.
apologize for calling you those names. It just, if we can't fight
Same.
words with words, sometimes you guys can never get it. And this is ending in a peaceful conversation. And
I'm sorry about the comment about your negligee, but do me a favor. Don't throw it away. Let me wear it.
he looks good in negligee. All right, guys, take care, man.
All right.
All right,
Take
bye,
care.
guys.
Bye-bye, Miss Gonzalez.
Bye.
Bye. See, it all turned out good.
I did.
Hey, what's the channel though?
Yeah,
I'm no thanks. Doug Hutton, I'm no thanks.
Doug Hutton.
Yeah.
and I'll be on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You'll get probably
You wanna be on it?
40,000 views easily. I get hundreds of thousands. He gets hundreds of thousands views.
No, and
He's
that's
got
why
50,000
when
subscribers.
I started talking to you, you looked really familiar.
My face is usually on the internet.
I'm in the post office on the wall.
Better than the boys' bathroom wall.
Right.
Actually, let me say something. So it started out bad. You did get in my space. You walked up.
Yeah.
Right. So I appreciate you acknowledging what you did. That was incorrect. You shouldn't get that close because people that do this, some people aren't as cute and cuddly as me.
Right.
You know, so you don't want to get in their space, right? I've been doing this a long time. That's just sound advice for you in the future. But in the future, if somebody's filming, just ignore them or say, hi, Mom. But people don't have to give you information. So in the end, it all turned out good. It went from really a shit show to positive. So thank you.
Thank you.
And I'm a hugger and a single one, so I don't know why he's the one that always gets hit on.
I don't see a ring. Are you wearing a ring? No? How about a hug? That'll make the channel.
This is all that'll make the channel.
I'll give you guys a hug.
There you go. Shit. You're giving...
That's how it's going to end. That's how it's going to
Thank you,
end with the hug.
darling.
I'm really not that hostile, but I am a chola. So
Yeah, me
I like
too.
cholas, so
I'm in a Jewish
I
gang.
know to deal with them.
I'm in a Jewish gang. We don't do drive-bys on Shabbat.
Shalom. Mazel tov to that one.
All right, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Take care. All right, guys. Well, that went from shit to good. All right, guys. News Now, California.
The summary of Video 1 shows that the right to film in public places is absolute, regardless of objections from those around you. Although the building staff created baseless rules to interfere, the videographer proved that anything visible from a public sidewalk is legal to record. The lesson learned is to always stay calm and master the First Amendment to protect your personal rights. My advice to you is to avoid heated arguments. Simply assert your authority and continue your work professionally. Next, let us witness a higher tension situation where the police begin to abuse their power and issue unlawful orders in the following video.
It's different over there. Because you're kind of distracting me. There's a lot of people there.
I'm distracting you.
I'm talking to you, and I can't.
You don't have to talk to me. You can stay over there.
Distracting me. It's my safety.
I'm not distracting you, bro.
I'm gonna be honest with you, and I'll be respectful as much as I can. All right, officer Santana Ford. We're doing an investigation. This is part of the investigation. I need you to go on the sidewalk. This is not the sidewalk. I need you to go to the sidewalk.
Listen, I'm not instructing your investigation.
You are.
I'm not.
I am telling you.
I'm not.
I'm giving you.
Why she not instructing your?
I'm giving you a lawful order.
That's not a lawful order.
It is a lawful order to move to the sidewalk.
I don't consent to your lawful order.
Well, you're about to consider it. I'll put you in the back of the seat.
I don't mind. I don't mind.
You gonna go to the site, or you gonna?
It'll be a fine on the city, not me.
Listen, what are you talking about?
I'm not instructing your investigation.
A street lawyer?
No, what are you? A street cop?
Yeah, I'm a cop. Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Listen, we're talking. You're gonna move to the side or not?
You they came over here talking to me. I didn't say nothing to none of these officers. Get your supervisor here. Get your supervisor here. It's a whole barrier between us, bro. What do you mean I'm behind you?
This is an investigation. She's an investigation.
We have a whole bunch of narcotics here.
So
these
you
people
want
are
to move?
Okay, that's fine, bro. Y'all can do. I didn't come and say anything to you. My presence shouldn't be a threat to you. You got a gun on you. You got a taser. You got all.
It's legal now, by the way. As long as you're not.
But you have a gun on you, open carrying. How am I a threat? You can tell I'm not a threat.
Record me. I don't care.
No, you can't give me a direct order to stand over there, brother. This America.
Please do it.
You can do your investigation. I'm standing right here.
Look. I'm gonna talk to her. Right? I go like this. You're a threat to me, right?
You did that. I didn't do that. Just because you want to talk to her, you can't give me a direct order to stand over here for nothing, bro. Yeah, pay me. Thank you. That's a good. What's your name and badge number?
I don't sacrifice my safety.
What's your name and badge number?
Cabrera 444.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's professional. That's a professional right there.
Hey, this guy called back or what?
Threatened me with arrest because I didn't want to stand on the sidewalk. This is crazy, man. And this is what we got to deal with in our community. All right, the guys probably did something they ain't supposed to do, but I'm doing something I'm legally bound to do. This is a protective activity that I'm doing right now. I'm just recording officers in their official capacity. And they all come bomb rushing me. I didn't commit no crime. But they want to put me on a crime by threatening me, by putting me in cuffs and behind a squad car. Think about that. See, we give these guys a gun and we give these guys a badge, but they don't respect it.
Hey, wait a minute. You get the fentanyl and cocaine on the camera?
No, I'm narrating on my camera. I'm narrating to my audience. I said those guys may have did something wrong, but I'm talking about the wrong that the officers did by giving me unlawful directive orders to move on the sidewalk. He didn't ask me. He didn't ask me, or he didn't ask me. They directed me to move. I'm telling you. But see, you addressing me. You addressing me. You're right. You're right, yeah. I'm talking to the camera.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? They sent you over here to check on us again? Huh? They sent you over here to check on us again? Check on y'all? Give a damn about y'all? Don't give a damn about y'all? Damn, I told you. I saw my bike. Didn't you just see my bike stop? I'm on the phone. Oh, yeah, I remember. Just like the other thing you did 2 blocks away.
And this guy asked me. This guy asked me, was I a street lawyer? Because I know a little bit of my rights. See how fast they are ready to violate your amendments? Look down, if you got more cars showing up, back up. And this is a sergeant.
Video 2 depicts a tense confrontation between free speech and police overreach when executing unlawful orders on a public sidewalk. Despite being threatened with arrest and mocked as a street lawyer, the videographer stood firm in protecting his law enforcement monitoring activities. The important lesson is that understanding the Constitution empowers citizens to confidently face pressure from badges and guns. My advice to you is to always record peacefully and demand the identity of officers who violate your rights. Next, let us explore how to deal with private security teams and unreasonable internal rules at a police station in Video 3.
Are you a police?
I am not police. Stop. I am not police. I'm security for the West Winds Police Department.
Oh.
So you're filming. You're not allowed to film here, right?
Oh, no? What law is that?
It's not a law. It's just their property law.
It's not a law?
It's not a law. But this is private property.
Actually, it says it's public property.
It's open to the public, but it's actually private property. We lock the doors at night. And
Right.
shut the
I'm not
police
here
down.
at nighttime. I'm here during business
Why
hours.
are you filming?
Sorry?
Why are you filming?
Are you detaining me, ma'am?
I am not. No, don't act silly. Why are you filming? That was the question. It was just a question. Why are you filming?
I'm just engaged in my charter of rights.
To do what? What are you attempting to accomplish here today?
I'm not going to answer that. Can I get your name and badge number?
No.
Okay. Well,
My
if you're
name
not
is
going
right
to...
here, Commissioner. Catherine.
Catherine? Supervisor Commissionaires? Is that a company like security?
Yeah.
Is that Canadian?
Yeah. Can
Okay.
we help you with something here today?
Ma'am, I never called you. I didn't ask you for help. I'm just...
You're wandering around filming.
Okay.
There are a lot of people here who are coming to the police station for service. They do not want to be in your film.
Ma'am,
They just want to conduct
is it illegal
their
to
business.
film in public?
It is not appropriate for you to be filming
Ma'am,
here.
appropriate. There's a law. There's not how you feel. You're not the feelings police, okay?
Why are you here?
Ma'am, I don't feel like answering any more of your questions. You're being very rude and you're giving me wrong information and you're lying about me being able to film on public property. So at this point, I'd like you to disengage and go back to work.
I don't think I will disengage, sir. No. I'm gonna-
Okay. Hey, police chief, question for you, buddy. Oh, that's how you're gonna act to the public? Wow. That's the police chief, you guys. He won't even give me a second of his time. That's how he feels. Sir, okay, you be respectful and have your goons leave me alone.
So again, what can we help you with today? clearly are here on a mission. You need some kind of help. What can we help you
Don't
with
block
today?
me, ma'am. If you block me, I will remove you out of my way.
Okay, I'm going to block you. So
You're saying that you're blocking me. Okay, perfect.
I would like to know.
I'm gonna
why
file a
you're
nice complaint
here.
on you. Everyone watching.
You got any questions for me, or are you just doing some filming today?
Yes, sir. And they're
Alright.
telling me it's illegal to film.
Oh, okay. Well, it's not illegal. You're in a public place. It's a public
Oh,
place.
wow, Karen. So now you can leave me alone.
But at the end of the day, there is a policy of no filming inside. I'll just
Listen, do you enforce policies or do you enforce law? Because I don't have to deal with your policy. Your policy is for you to follow, not for me. I don't have a contract with the city.
That's fine. Do you want me to explain maybe why that rule's in place?
I don't care. I'm not going to go to any unwanted areas.
Okay.
I looked up on the alberta.ca website. I'm allowed to go into the lobby. I'm absolutely allowed in the lobby. And if you're going to tell me I'm not, then you're going to infringe upon my charter, and we can go from there.
Which section of the charter would I be infringing on?
Which section?
Yeah, which section?
Well, to see what you do first, and then I'll let you know.
I'm just curious about how much research you've actually done, but that's fine. I just wanted to come in and check in.
Well, come look at my YouTube channel. I've gone over the Police Act.
It's okay.
I've gone over the.
I got enough homework. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, have a good day.
Hey, sir, just a quick question. What's your name and badge number?
My name, I'll give you my badge number. It's 4967, and my name is Justin Hendricks. It's right there on my uniform. You can see that.
Thank you for being professional, sir. You're actually very, very nice. Thank you so much.
Take care.
Have a good day, sir. Oh, wow. See? Professional police officer, finally.
Video 3 exposes the legal ignorance of private security teams as they intentionally use internal policies to suppress free speech at a public police station. Despite being obstructed and threatened for supposedly inappropriate filming, the videographer skillfully distinguished between the law and an organization's private rules. The lesson learned is that policies apply to employees, while the law is what governs citizens. My advice to you is to always demand professionalism and never yield to unreasonable demands. Next, let us follow the handling of an extremely tense traffic stop with signs of personal retaliation in video 4.
I don't answer questions.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely you. And that is loud and boisterous conduct upon a public roadway. That's public disorderly conduct.
Here's my license.
So that's what you pulled us over for, is you thought you heard somebody say something?
Why don't you ask that one over there? Mister, I don't answer questions.
Hey, listen here, you idiot. You work for us. Okay. You're a public servant. Okay. You're supposed to be professional, not me. I don't have a code of conduct to go by. You do.
Okay.
Name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers, bud.
Yeah, that's a lie. What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers. What would you like, my computer number?
Why did he give me a number and you can't?
Because he gave you his computer number, bud. It's 14-0.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down and go learn about some professionalism.
Okay.
You're going to hear from my lawyer.
I can't wait.
This is an illegal stop. You have to witness a traffic violation or suspect us of a crime.
Really? Yeah, I was going to say, would you like to hear the traffic violation?
Yes, actually, I will.
Yeah, because we wasn't speeding. We don't have any lights out. Didn't do anything wrong. This is a retaliatory stop for something that you thought you heard.
No, by the way, lights are required 1 hour before dusk. Just FYI.
Oh, yeah, I can't wait. This is going to be great. Why don't you get your supervisor over here?
I'm not required to. You can ask for one.
Well, I'm asking for one. That's what I just did.
Okay, yeah, you can ask for one.
Yeah, I'm asking for a supervisor. Matter of fact, get Lieutenant Cawthorn out here.
619-220 on the grounds. Yeah, who?
Lieutenant Cawthorn.
I don't work for Lieutenant Cawthorn.
Yes, you do. You work for the sheriff's office. He is your supervisor. Get him out here.
He's not my supervisor.
Okay. You're going to learn soon.
Okay.
You got registration insurance yet?
I have a registration card out of North Carolina.
Oh, that's North Carolina. I don't know where the one is that you need.
Don't answer any questions. Yeah, I want to be present with the conversation.
I need him to be present for me. Will you come talk to me
information that I'm issuing to you, not him. So if you would do me a favor, you would slip my name. So I stopped you for 2 reasons.
Okay.
First reason is when you came on the 28, you didn't signal 100 feet prior to turning on the 28. Your breaker has to be initiated before 100 feet before you turn on the 28.
Okay.
So I put you over for that. And when he's hanging out of the window, those can be misconstrued as arm signals, otherwise known as turn signals. When he's holding the bird out, if somebody else construes that as you turning and you don't turn, somebody pulls out in front of you and hits you.
Okay.
Is that fair?
No, I don't agree with it, but I see where you're coming from.
This is going in as a contact only. There's no court. There's no fine.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Here's all of your information back.
Thank you.
Here's warning.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
All right. Oh, can he get your card?
We don't have cards.
Yeah, write your information down. Hey.
You're not going to
Write your information down on your information, your contact information.
I don't have.
You're a public servant. Write your information down.
Would you like to go obtain a copy of the general orders at the sheriff's office? I'm not required to give you.
I don't have to do anything. You work for me. I don't work for you.
Got it recorded right there.
Okay.
Wait to see it on YouTube. Have a good day, bud.
Do you have a card, bud?
I do not. We're not issuing cards to the sheriff's office.
Can you write your name and information down? I appreciate you not being hostile. I don't appreciate that.
My name is on the citation.
Okay.
If you have any issues, you can call. And that call for service number that's assigned to this stop will have this number attached.
Thanks.
Description 4 is a typical demonstration of police using minor traffic violations to mask personal retaliation when they feel offended. Despite being pulled over due to unsatisfactory remarks, the videographer was very wise to repeatedly request the presence of a supervisor to verify the legality of the incident. The lesson learned is that citizens have the right to free speech, and police must maintain professionalism instead of acting on emotion. My advice to you is to always demand a business card and stand firm on your rights. Next, let us follow how to handle baseless allegations about hand gestures and privacy rights at a public facility in video 5.
Care to tell me what you're doing here? You want to state your business? No? I'm recording you as well, okay? Just so you know. I got a clean shot of your face.
Dang, these guys need a heavy application right now. Heavy application. We got 2 units here. They're both blocking the street. Dirty Bird 78, OM James. Art Escalante. Yeah, they're on their private property. I'm not gonna go on there. They're talking about the hand gesture, guys. Big Dave, appreciate you. He's given a narrative that I'm trying to antagonize. giving the narrative that I'm antagonizing. All cops want to do is just show up, give people grief, eat donuts.
Video 5 shows a complex confrontation as police strive to find every excuse to restrict filming rights through baseless allegations of threatening behavior using hand gestures. Despite intense questioning and warnings about the fine lines of privacy when using recording equipment, the videographer maintained a firm stance on constitutional rights in public spaces. The important lesson is that police often attempt to create ambiguous legal situations to pressure citizens into leaving or identifying themselves. My advice to you is to always understand specific privacy regulations and maintain absolute calmness in the face of fabricated allegations to protect your rights most effectively.
Knowing your rights isn't being difficult, it's being prepared. If this video helped you understand your legal rights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below, tell us your story, ask a question, or suggest the next encounter we should break down. This is ID Refusal 101, where we teach the basics of your right. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.